In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off fast wireless charging. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to tap on Battery. Then scroll again, but this time click on Charging Settings. Now tap on this switch next to fast wireless charging to turn it off or switch it on. If you want to, you can also click on fast wireless charging on the left, manage it here, but also read all of those informations about it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!